doing is we're setting up what we call alternate care facilities. What that means is we're setting up field hospitals. TCF Center is for COVID-only patients. TCF has been outstanding. Claude Molinari and his team have been just great to work with.
Everyone here is working hard to set up about 600 spaces for patients in this one hall alone, and then 400 down in the next hall below us. And TCF Center has just been moving gangbusters to get this set up. They are motivated, they understand the urgency here. Our goal is to help as many people as we can.
The whole facility itself will have negative pressure, so it will simulate a hospital room. We need to set up mechanical and electrical, set up any plumbing, everything that the hospital needs to start operating. And we're going to make it happen for Michigan.